All right, so I want to show you how to know if you have a washer that has a bad transducer. Now the transducer, I will include that in one of the videos, either in front or behind, but you will know what it is. And what we're going to do, we're going to initiate the wash, put the washer on normal. We're going to press start. There's no water, nothing's hooked up. What should happen? The washer will energize the valves and start to agitate. Whirlpool, they're smart, but they're not that smart. Talking about the washers here. They don't know that the water's not coming in right away. So it will go through the motion and do what it does. So the agitator should start to move, or as the water is coming in. Now, if you notice water comes in, it fills up, and then it agitates, and it's a newer machine, you have a problem up there, and there's a good chance that it's going to be stuck in drain. The newer machines, as they fill, they slowly agitate. And we're going to initiate, right now let's initiate wash, and you should hear the valves, they should come on, and then you hear the machine agitating. Valves are on. See, it's agitating. See that? If you press pause, light should flash. Normally, or if you open the lid, let's press pause again. If you open the lid, right, the light will turn off or blink. Watch. If you close the lid, it should let water in automatically. See that? Automatically. If you have to press start, you have a problem with the board, with the transducer. The main thing is it's not draining. It's not stuck in drain. Okay? I don't want to run the valves for too long, obviously. I'm going to say sensing. It's waiting for water. It's really what it's doing. Let's see if it goes into drain like it was doing. Okay. All right, watch this very important section. The washer is letting water in. I'm going to open the lid, and you'll notice water stops, but it does not start back. It should automatically start back, and it did not. I had to press the start button. Washer is not agitating at all, as you can see. Or I should say, as you can hear. And it should be slowly agitating. All right, so we are back, and we are actually replacing the board. Whirlpool, reach out to Whirlpool, supply your model number, and if you're experiencing this, they will come out and they will replace the board. Now the customer did not want to wait. He just wanted us to replace the board. So that's what we're doing. Go ahead and try the WD-40 trick. I will link that video before you replace the board, or reach out to Whirlpool, and they're actually dealing with this situation based on model number when customer calls it in. So you do need to do that, and they will take care of it. So sometimes the transducer is to the point to where you cannot get the machine going. If it's damaged, it's damaged. You'll have to replace the board. You can also replace the transducer. That's another option. But for right now, we're going to replace the main board. And pretty straightforward, 2/4 inch screws. Now, if you do not want to replace the entire housing on the board, you can use a pick or hook, and you can literally remove the cover, then extract the board, put in your new board, and then put the cover back over it. That's just an option. Now, some of these connectors or wire keepers sometimes are very, very difficult to remove. So be mindful of that. That last one was pretty difficult. So remove all the connectors before you pull too hard on the board, or maybe use a needle nose pliers to help you extract it, and maybe a flat blade screwdriver under it as you pry up. All right, here's another example. Water stops, you close the lid, and it starts automatically. So I'm removing the door strike. I'm gonna open the lid, and you'll see. Washer's slowly agitating as it fills. As soon as it's done filling, it will go into full agitation mode. It normally agitates before it's fully full of water, and then once it's full, it'll turn the water off and start to agitate.